Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click to this Wi-Fi switcher. After activating the switcher, you'll see here all of the available networks which you could use. You could connect to these networks. For example, let's select one from them. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click to show password checkbox. And after that, just tap to OK. So now we could see that our device successfully connected to the network. By the same way, you could use more networks, just enter the passwords, connect to them, and here in Save Networks list, you will see here all of the previously connected networks to your device. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.